In this video, you are going to learn what are the benefits of green infrastructures. As I mentioned in the previous video, green infrastructures can reduce flooding, reduce the peak flow, remove pollutants, but also it has many other benefits. The first thing is you can watch this video where it will provide many other benefits, but I want to show you that the green infrastructures has also improved community functions. Again, this is another video, you can watch it, but let me explain what that means. First thing, it is also green infrastructure is something that can create many jobs that span from blue collar job to all the way to other jobs, green jobs. So this can also create opportunity for low income communities. For instance, many of the green infrastructures require maintenance, and those maintenance do not require any degree. So that's why it's very important to understand that this can provide more economic benefits for a city. In Los Angeles, stormwater green infrastructures has a specific role. It has a role to capture stormwater and provide sufficient locally available water for the communities. As you can see in these pictures, today we don't recycle a lot of water and almost no stormwater, but in future we wanted to capture a lot more stormwater as well as recycle water through these green infrastructures. So this is a table that explain there are different functions, different other community function for different type of green infrastructures. And this column in the row, each row is a different type of green infrastructures, and the columns are different benefits. So when you reduce runoff, it has a lot of other benefits that already I mentioned, flooding and water quality benefits, but also there are community functions, livability because of green space and other aspect. It can also make the city more livable. For instance, you'll have more shade, you'll have more better air quality because the dust emission will decrease when you have a lot of plants and other things. There is urban agricultures, improved community cohesions, where because it's basically think of like a park where people can sit and interact. It can also provide many ecosystem benefits like improve habitats, provides place for birds and animals to co-live in a big cities. And also green infrastructure is a carbon sequestration technology. So this can be also helpful for reducing carbon footprints as well as creating conditions where energy use can be reduced. For instance, green roof can keep your house warm in winters and also cold in summer. So these are different benefits of green infrastructures. Do check everything else. Another aspect of green infrastructure is it can helps us to prepare for the future climate disaster. For instance, if you think of climate change, it reduces the amount of water available for many locations. Having green infrastructures can restore or recharge groundwater or store more water for different functions. And we learn that, and more specifically at the end of this class, we'll learn about how green infrastructures can be helpful to prepare the city of Los Angeles for future wildfire issues. So here I wanted your attention for 17 sustainable goals, and green infrastructure can touch upon almost all of them. So again, this is very important to understand that green infrastructure has many functions, not just the reduction of flooding, but also improving the well-being of city dwellers.